Well, hello everyone, and welcome to this week's virtual assembly. This week, I'm going to walk around the site just to remind you a bit about what Guildford County School looks like, and also I'm going to give you some top tips to help you to have a really successful week. So, top tip number one, to help you to have some discipline in your life. When the alarm goes off in the morning, don't hit snooze and get out of bed straight away. Next up, I'm going to give you a tip about productivity. If you've booked in a couple of hours to get on with some virtual learning, use that couple of hours for that virtual learning. By all means, speak to your friends, but don't have unscheduled calls. Do them at certain points during the day, just as you would if you were at school and it was break time or lunchtime perhaps. So for the next top tip here, we've got Ella, who's going to give you the inside track.
Top tip number 3, drink more water than sugary drinks or caffeine.
And that will help with your health and well-being. Next up, for your mental well-being, don't speak negatively about anyone to anyone. Have a positive frame of mind in all of your conversations. Success. If you want to be really successful, pick up a book by someone that you think is a role model in your life. Read that book and be inspired. Exercise. Even if it's just 10 press-ups or a short walk around the block, make it the first thing that you do every single morning. Facing a fear. If you can start every day with a freezing cold shower, that day you'll be able to tackle anything else you try. Share, show and give appreciation. Pick someone that you really think a lot of and send them a video message telling them why they're important in your life. Try all of these tips for a better week next week than you've had this week, even if this week was absolutely superb. So if you want to see an improvement in your experience of the world, then you are the place to begin. Think positively, act positively, and you will have a fantastic life. So all that remains now is for me to say have a fantastic week. Please click subscribe to our channel so you can get updates about new content. Until the next time, everybody, look after yourselves.